from Space Shuttle Endeavour, reporting that the rendezvous pitch maneuver happening just about exactly on time, starting about 220 feet above the coast of Brazil. The entire backflip of the Space Shuttle Endeavour will take about 8 minutes to complete. And after that's done, the crew will be ready to move on to the actual docking to the International Space Station, which is scheduled to take place at 12:55 p.m. Central Time. As Space Shuttle Endeavour maneuvers through this backflip, Commander of the International Space Station, Gennady Padalka, and Flight Engineer Mike Barrett will be inside the station's Zvezda service module, looking out the window and taking photos of the shuttle's heat shield. They've practiced this move with different targets on the ground beforehand to get ready so that they could be sure they got all the views that the imagery analysts on the ground need to make sure that Endeavour has a healthy heat shield. They're using 800 and 400 millimeter cameras that provide resolutions of 3 inches and 1 inch, even from this distance, which is almost 500 feet away.
Endeavour, start photos.
And Padalka and Barrett will take probably around 300 photos of the shuttle's heat shield, which you're getting a good view of here. Again, those will be sent down and analyzed closely along with the data from the survey that was done of Endeavour's heat shield yesterday. That survey looking at the wing leading edges and nose cap, and this survey focusing in part on the belly of the orbiter so that the imagery analyst on the ground can get a complete view of the shuttle's heat shield. Shuttle and station now about 217 miles above the Atlantic Ocean.
Station Endeavour, end photos.
Space Shuttle Endeavour, controlled by Commander Mark Polanski and pilot Doug Hurley, will end this backflip pretty much where they started it and move from there to a distance about 400 feet in front of the space station to begin the actual docking. That docking is scheduled for 12:55 p.m. Central Time. Space Shuttle Endeavour, according to the team here in the flight control room, is now back on the R bar, that imaginary line between the International Space Station and the ground below. So